In today's video, we check this truck that has covered up a stolen Ford Ranger that is loaded in the back of it with brooms. Yes, you heard that right. They basically covered up this Ford Ranger that was hidden in the back with brooms. They then tried to take the vehicle over the border, and unfortunately for them, they got caught.
Inside, there's a car inside, if you can see, guys. Eh? It's happening here. It's happening here in Komatpot. It's happening here in Komatpot. It's happening here in Komatpot. Hot property. Hot property. Guys, as you can see, it's hot property. It's happening here. Live in Komatpot. Live in Komatpot.
This is a common thing in South Africa, where vehicles are stolen and then are quickly transported over the border and sold and registered as new or used vehicles for those neighboring countries.
Live in Komatpot. Live in Komatpot.
If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. I'll see you around.